Good morning. Just picked up Tim Hortons coffee because I was out grocery shopping this morning. I was just grabbing some stuff to make Andrew a special dinner. We haven't really done anything like, I don't know, fun and special, and last night we kind of went on a date and I thought, you know what, he deserves a really nice meal. I've been cleansing and eating like just plain salad, and he's kind of had to fend for himself. So I thought tonight I would make him a really nice meal. And I follow Shauna Nyquist, who is the author of Present Over Perfect. If you haven't read that book, you have to read that book. And she posted about this pork ragu, and I'm not a big pork fan, but it looked incredible, and I thought, oh, that is so Andrew, like that's, you know, exactly what he likes. It used pepperodelli noodles, which is like his favorite. So I thought that would be like a perfect meal for today because I woke up and it was snowing. I can't believe that it is here. I'm so happy though. Like, I want snow. I want a bunch of snow until January 2nd, and then it can all go away. But for real, today is an exciting day. Andrew and I bought a new bed, and we are going to be setting it up today and redoing our room. Redoing as in reorganizing and hopefully eliminating some of the clutter that's there. So that is gonna take pretty much all day. So I'm gonna go home, maybe put some makeup on my face so that I don't look so ratchet and tired. And then we are going to start moving everything around. I'm very excited. You can kind of see on top of that house, it was actually filled with snow this morning. Yay! I love snow. Okay, this is real life. We just woke up. Our bed has not been made, but we're gonna take everything off the bed. We're gonna move the mattress out, and underneath, disclaimer, it's crazy. So when we moved in, we don't have a lot of storage here, so a lot of things ended up under the bed. Things that we don't have access to, we don't really need that much access to. Thank you for turning on the light. Or things that we just need more, like we need to put more stuff underneath, so we need to get rid of. So, yeah, this is gonna be interesting and kind of crazy, but I'm ready, and it's probably gonna be dusty. I'm very allergic to dust, so that is no fun. So I guess we'll just get going. The only thing is, I'm hoping that that picture that I got from Target a long time ago, we've never put it up because it's where I originally wanted it to go never fit. Huh, where did it? Huh. Anyways, oh, there it is. So I'm hoping, because the headboard of this new bed is a lot lower, that it will be able to go over the bed. If you can remember that one. Don't mind the mess. I'm gonna clean everything after. Put my sheets, bedding in the laundry. I love our bedding. I think the only thing I would like to change are these white pillows because of the texture. That's dust. I originally got them from IKEA just to have something. Never replaced them, so wouldn't mind doing that. So hopefully, I'm so excited to see the transformation. It's very dark in here because it's dark outside. Well, get out of here, Walter. Ah, he's getting into everything, but he's wagging his tail. Walter, are you supposed to be in here? Okay, okay. Creeper. Walter looks, ew, look at Walter. He looks so creepy. I don't think I explained the bed, I'm just realizing. So I really wanted a storage bed, a pull-up storage bed. So if you've seen the mattresses that lift up and you have all that storage underneath, because we'll actually get more area than we would if we just throw things under the bed, because you can only put things under the bed that fit like this much from the floor to the first bar. Or when you lift up, you get a lot more height and there's no like bar in the middle to really contend with. We found one that we really liked and it was from British Columbia and I loved it, but I was a little bit concerned because one, I wouldn't get to see it in person, so I wouldn't see how much storage, because if we got the same amount of storage, like it wasn't super deep, it would be pointless. And second, I just was like kind of unsure about it. And this is not our forever home. This is like maybe 2 more years in this condo. So I decided one day when I was at IKEA, I was walking through and they actually just released a pull-up bed. It was like over half the cost of the one from BC, and we could pick it up whenever we wanted and we were able to see the depth. So it's not my dream bed, but it's my dream solution. Andrew's hemming and hawing. So anyways, I'm really excited, but I need to go help him now. Update, we are pretty good. It's taken a long time to get to this point, but we're getting there. And then my dad, is over and he is replacing our faucet finally. He had to go buy a drill. So I'm really excited. We have everything everywhere, but I'm so excited to be getting all this stuff done. This has been on my bucket list since we moved in. So this is awesome. This is the moment of truth. Let's lower it.
What do we do?
It says we
Pull
both
down.
go on each side.
Okay.
Pull down. Oh, it's heavy. No, you're supposed to be on the other side.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3.
Then what?
Okay, why is that? Why is there nothing? I don't know.
Can I see this piece?
Oh gosh. Okay, the bed is done. I mean, this isn't the finished product when we put the mattress on and everything. And, don't mind the mess, la la la, our beautiful new sink. It's just like super nice and modern. And like we can put this here and like, which we weren't able to do before. So nice, so nice. Now it's cleanup time and make dinner, because I'm making Andrew a special meal, right?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Doesn't this look so good? This is the pork ragu. So I braised the meat for a little bit, added whole tomatoes. You do a cup of red wine, some oregano, and thyme, and let that simmer. I'm gonna add a pinch of hot sauce, and then it's gonna cook for 3 hours. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Guys, this is all we had under our bed pretty much before. One other big white thing, and that's all we could fit. And we have so much room left. I am overwhelmingly happy. This is the aftermath, but I'm clearing everything out. And like, look, we still have so much room. It is crazy, but this is like real life. I'm trying to clear all this and then reorganize it. I'll show you the finished product. So I've come a long way. It's still crazy in here and everywhere, but this is pretty much, I'm just cleaning it all up, but it's pretty much like all the stuff is gone. But I wanted to show you. So originally we bought this Hutch to store excess kitchen gadgets like a blender and things like that, but it never ended up happening, and it became just a junk cabinet where I would put my craft stuff, my extra makeup, Walter's stuff. Like, it was just everything, and we were like minimizing the space because we had chunky things that, yeah, it was not good. So I reorganized it. So this is like my craft stuff, and then this is Walter's stuff. And then look, I have my juicer in here, this blender, don't mind the dirt, and then a French press. That's the juicer top, so it's like kind of takes up a lot of room, but that's so awesome. And then we have this big soup pot with like a cake pan in, and then behind it is like a panini press. Then we have a blender, and this is all my like excess camera gear and microphone and things like that, and I obviously have space there. And then in here I have like table linens, and then my gravy boat because I don't want to mix it up with other things. Then I have hats and gloves in here because I don't have a place for that. And then Andrew's computer stuff, which can probably be moved to under the bed, but that's fine now. So you're gonna laugh because I did not think that our mattress was so thick. We're eventually going to get a new mattress, probably sometime this year. Ours is amazing, but there's no back support. It's very thick. Anyways, it looks so high. It is really high. I mean, typically the mattress without the pillow top would be here. So it's like 1/3 higher. But to be honest, it's less about the look and it's more about the functionality. And I'm gonna show you. So you pull the lever, and this is what I have done so far. Like, look at all this room still. Like, there is a ton of stuff under here, and we still have so much room. Here is Andrew's special dinner. It looks so yummy. Okay, it is 10 o'clock at night, and the bedroom is finally finished. How? Okay. The lighting does not do it justice because this looks wrinkled, okay? But it's not. Like, how good does this look? It looks so much, okay, I'm not getting good angles. It looks so, it makes the ceiling look so tall. I love it. I wish this didn't look so wrinkly on camera, but it does. It just came out of the dryer, but I am in love. And I like that you can't see the headboard that much because it's modern, but you know what? It like doesn't bother me. I definitely want to get new pillows. These are too like modern. But how, I'm so happy. I can't wait to see it in the day. And okay, so I'm gonna show you, I'll put you on here. And then I'm gonna lift and then grab you when I lift. Okay, so I'm pulling the thing. Lifting. I'm gonna show you everything that we have so far in there, and honestly, we still have so much space. Oh, it's the end of the night. Look at this. We still have so much room to put things. I put my sweatshirts here, some summer clothes, extra sheets back there, makeup. Like, we still have a ton of room. Basically, my biggest concern was Christmas. We always get, obviously, presents, and it's so hard to store things, but I mean, now we have so much space in the kitchen and under the bed. I've just taken places that have been just crammed full of stuff, even under the bathroom. I said that before. Anyways, I am so happy with how everything has turned out. So yeah, I will show you what it looks like tomorrow in the daylight. I need to get some sleep and finish cleaning everywhere else. I look a little bit crazy and haggard. That's not the best look. So anyways, I'm going to finish up and go to bed on my new bed with my beautiful painting. This painting is from Target, by the way. Like, I think that it's so beautiful. I love it so much. And this bedding is actually from Target too. I love Target. I miss Target so much. Anyways, I'm going to end it here for the night. Good night.